Welcome back to the Kettle and Cord Kitchen. It is summer and I have the perfect summer dessert recipe for you. It is no bake, so you don't have to heat up your kitchen. It's gluten-free, it's bright and fresh. You're gonna love it. A couple of years ago, I discovered Norman's Creamy Blends yogurt, and it is my preferred breakfast of choice. I eat it every single morning. And now they came up with original cream cheese. This is a perfect cream cheese for recipes. You can whip this to your desired consistency for your recipe, and it gives you a perfect creamy velvety texture. Let's get started with the cream cheese mixture. I love the fact that it comes in a container and not a brick because it's so much easier to work with. We're just gonna scoop it out. Okay, we're just gonna whip this up, give it a nice little whip. We're just gonna add a half a cup of confectionery sugar. I love these OXO containers, especially for storing sugar, because they keep my sugar fresh and they make sure it doesn't get clumpy. We're just gonna whip this in. Then when you pop it in, it seals it perfectly, so no air gets in and you don't get clumpy sugar. Look how nicely that whipped up. So smooth and creamy, so fast. So we're gonna take half of the cream cheese mixture and separate it into a bowl. We're gonna add some lemon zest and lemon juice to it. I really like using the juice and the zest of the lemon to give it that great lemon flavor. So I have my microplane here. Look at these beautiful lemon ribbons. And when you do this, you're gonna smell the lemon. It's just like this great fresh scent hitting you. And now we're just going to add the lemon juice. I love the combination of lemons and strawberries. It's such a great summer combo. We're just gonna give this a little mix just to combine it. Look how pretty the lemon looks in that. It gives it a hint of yellow color, and then you just have those little bursts of zest. I'm going to be pureeing these beautiful fresh strawberries. If you're making this in the winter and you can't get really great fresh strawberries, frozen strawberries are a great option. Just let them thaw out a little bit, and then you can just puree them just like I'm doing with the fresh ones. To puree the strawberries, I'm gonna use the exact same Hamilton Beach hand blender. I'm just going to swap out the attachments. Look how easy that was. And we're going to puree the strawberries. We're just going to add the pureed strawberries to the other half of the cream cheese mixture. And this is going to get this gorgeous pink color. So we're gonna have that pale yellow and gorgeous pink. This texture is perfect. The Norman's cream cheese is so perfect for this recipe because it gives us a beautiful creamy texture. And now for the heavy cream. I have 2 cups of heavy cream, and we're just gonna whip it up. We're going back to our whisk attachment. I stuck this in the freezer together with the heavy cream for a few minutes because it whips up better if it's cold. Perfect, we're done. It took a little bit less than 10 minutes. We're going to mix the heavy cream into the strawberry cream cheese mixture and the lemon cream cheese mixture. I'm adding a little less of the heavy cream to the lemon cream mixture, and the rest will go into the strawberries. We're just going to fold it in gently. Just using a spatula, gently fold it in. Okay, this is perfectly combined. Let's take the rest of the heavy cream and the strawberry mixture. Okay, this looks perfect. I love this color. It's the perfect baby pink. And the texture, it's smooth and creamy. Let's go in for a taste. Yum. Okay, so I went really light on the sugar because I wanted to keep this recipe low sugar, and I love that it's a little tart. It's very bright. If you want, You can throw in another 1/4 cup of confectionery sugar if you like it a little sweeter. Okay, we need to pipe this. So I'm using the Atico piping bags to give me that perfect professional look in the glasses that I'm plating this in. But if you don't have piping bags at home, a gallon Ziploc bag will work perfectly. Just stick it in here just like this and then snip a hole in the bottom. There we go. Perfect. Just pick this up. Looks so pretty. And now for the lemon mixture. We're gonna put it in its own icing bag. Okay, perfect. I love these colors together. It makes for a beautiful summer dessert. Now for the fun part, we're gonna be piping these into these gorgeous little cups. You want to make sure that this stays closed the whole time, otherwise it will explode all over you. I'm speaking from experience, it's not fun. And you're going to guide with this hand. We're going to take our scissors and give a little snip right over here. I like doing a smaller hole, and then if I have to, I'll make a bigger hole later. I love this, look how beautiful. And now for the lemon. So pretty. This dessert is so light and refreshing. It has the bright lemon flavor. It looks gorgeous. I was a little worried about doing this on camera, but it's not that hard. Give it a shot. Perfect. Voila. I'm so excited. Okay, so I have some crushed pistachios to give it that bright green color. You can also use some sliced honey-coated almonds. That goes great. And for an extra little touch, garnish with a mint leaf. This is summer in a champagne flute. I love this dessert for a Sunday brunch or a long Shabbos afternoon. You can prep it up to 2 days in advance. It is light and bright and fresh. I had so much fun making it. I'm sure you will too. I'd love to hear what you think about it. Leave your comments down below, and we'll see you next time.